Welcome to Radiant Mindset, your safe space for healing and positivity. These affirmations are here to comfort, uplift, and strengthen you during tough days. Remember, your challenges don't define you. Your courage does. Breathe deeply, repeat with intention, and allow these words to restore peace, hope, and resilience in your mind. I am stronger than my struggles, and I rise above them daily. My challenges do not define me. My strength and courage do. I allow myself to rest and heal without guilt or shame. I am worthy of love, support, and compassion every single day. Each breath I take brings me calm, peace, and renewed energy. I honor my emotions while knowing they will eventually pass with time. I am resilient, capable, and prepared to face difficult moments with grace. I deserve kindness, patience, and love from myself and from others. My mental health matters, and I prioritize it with love and care. I am learning to trust myself more deeply with every new challenge. I release judgment of myself and replace it with gentle understanding. Tough days don't last forever, but my inner strength always remains. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity today. My value is not measured by my struggles, but by my courage. I allow myself to feel without fear, knowing healing is happening. I choose hope, light, and growth, even during my most difficult days. My challenges help me grow stronger, wiser, and more compassionate daily. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small it feels. I let go of negativity and invite calm, love, and peace. I am allowed to take space for myself when I need it. My feelings are valid, and I honor them without shame or fear. Each day is a new chance to heal, grow, and shine brighter. I replace self-doubt with self-love and negative thoughts with hope today. I trust that better days are ahead, filled with peace and joy. I am worthy of happiness, peace, and healing every day of my life. My inner strength is greater than any storm I am facing today. I give myself permission to slow down and prioritize my mental health. My thoughts are powerful, and I choose ones that uplift and encourage. I am loved, supported, and never truly alone in my struggles. I forgive myself for past mistakes and focus on growth moving forward. I am proud of myself for surviving tough days with resilience. My mind is healing, my heart is strong, and my spirit is hopeful. I treat myself with kindness, compassion, and gentle patience on tough days. I have the strength within me to overcome even the hardest moments. Every difficult moment passes, and brighter, lighter days are on their way. I am learning to love myself more deeply with every challenge I face. My healing is not linear, but I celebrate progress in every form. I give myself grace to move forward at my own pace. I am worthy of joy, peace, and self-acceptance, even on hard days. I am enough exactly as I am, and I always will be. I deserve rest, care, and love when life feels heavy or hard. My mind is strong, and I choose thoughts that bring me peace. I am healing in ways I cannot yet see, but deeply trust. I release self-criticism and embrace the power of unconditional self-love today. My presence matters in this world, and I bring light to it. I honor my needs by listening to my body, mind, and soul. I am brave for facing today, no matter how heavy it feels. My life is valuable, meaningful, and filled with beautiful possibilities ahead. I accept myself fully, even in moments when I feel imperfect. I allow myself to lean on support when I need extra strength. I am more than my struggles. I am a beautiful, evolving soul. I choose faith in myself, trusting my ability to heal and grow. Every step I take, no matter how small, moves me forward. I release worry and invite peace, hope, and calm into my mind. I am stronger today because I have survived my hardest days before. My voice matters, my feelings matter, and my existence deeply matters. I give myself permission to seek help and support when I need it. My healing journey is unique, and I honor it with patience today. I believe in myself even when days feel difficult or overwhelming. I choose to focus on progress, not perfection, in my healing journey. My challenges are temporary, but my strength and resilience are permanent. I am worthy of peace, love, and joy on every single day. My heart is filled with courage that carries me through challenges. I allow myself to rest without guilt, knowing it fuels my healing. I am proud of myself for continuing to show up each day. My struggles do not weaken me. They reveal my resilience and strength. I believe in the possibility of healing, peace, and renewed joy. I embrace my imperfections as a part of my beautiful human journey. I release comparison and honor my healing path as uniquely my own. I am loved, even on days when I find it hard to love myself. My self-worth is unshakable, even when life feels difficult or overwhelming. I release fear and replace it with faith, love, and calm. I trust myself to make it through difficult moments with grace. I am capable of creating peace within myself despite outside chaos. I forgive myself for being human and for needing time to heal. My healing journey teaches me patience, self-love, and inner strength daily. I choose compassion over criticism toward myself on tough and heavy days. I honor my body's needs and give myself permission to rest fully. My resilience grows stronger each time I rise after a difficult day. I am not broken. I am healing and evolving beautifully every day. I let go of negativity and make space for peace and calm. I trust that challenges are shaping me into the best version of myself. I am safe, grounded, and supported by the universe every single day. My mental health matters, and I nurture it with love and care. I am grateful for the progress I've made, no matter how small. I believe in brighter days and trust the journey I am on. My worth is not diminished by my struggles. It shines even brighter. I treat myself with compassion, love, and deep kindness on every tough day. I am capable of finding light even in life's darkest moments. I deserve peace, healing, and happiness, and I welcome them into my life. Thank you for joining Radiant Mindset for these positive mental health affirmations. Remember, tough days never define you. Your resilience does. Repeat these words often to nurture your mind and spirit. If this brought comfort, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more affirmations. You are never alone in this journey.